Hey guys, what's going on? John here, back with another video. It's another rainy day here in the St. Louis area. I guess it's just gonna rain every freaking day. So anyway, I got a oil catch can here that I'm gonna be installing on the car. It's from Speedlogix, as you can see right there. I did look to get one from Billet Technologies, but I heard that it was taking some people a couple months to get them, or several weeks. So I didn't want to wait that long. I've already waited long enough, and I was ready to finally get one and get it on there. So as you can see, I've already got the engine cover off. I've got the hose loose right there, loose here. So it should be a pretty quick and easy install. It mounts. I got the one that mounts right here. I might do the Z bracket later, maybe when I get some half covers or something. But all I gotta do is mount a hose here, run a hose here, run them to the catch can, mount the catch can right here. So it should be pretty fast and easy. And we'll go ahead and get started. Alright guys, first thing I'm going to do is take this hose off right here. Just slide off there like that. Take this nut right here, put it on the stud. It'll be the nut that holds the catch can on. Bottom of the catch can off so I can just spin it on without it hitting anything. Probably won't go on all the way, have to find a good spot so it'll fit okay. Maybe somewhere in there. Make sure it's not hitting anything. We'll get away with one more turn. Get close. Right there maybe. Like that. Make that easier to spin that on so I can get it getting tight. Alright. Looks pretty clear there, not hitting anything. I don't really have a level. I mean, I have a really long level, but I don't have a small level to see if it's straight. Should be pretty close. Probably get the hoses on there before I tighten that nut up. If they're both about the same size, they better be long enough. Probably have to cut one of them. I don't have any clamps, so hopefully I don't need them. I can always get some though. It does appear that they are really tight. Definitely should have done this a long time ago, but oh well. Car's got about 6,500 or so miles on it. Finally got a cat's can, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. Just cut that hose right there. this one lines up first, I guess. Be a little bit of a pain in the butt. Man. Might have to get some different hoses and fittings in the future. Different fittings to use anyway. You know what? I'm just gonna get a little bit of lube for that. Maybe a little bit of engine oil. That a little bit easier, hopefully. And surely, as hard as these are to get on there, there won't be any vacuum leaks. Just about got it. Alright, should be good. Let's see if we can get it on right here. Let's see if it's going to work. Look a little jacked up like that. Be easier to just go like that with it. Just don't look right like that. I don't think it matters which way the oil enters the catch can. Should still catch it. Alright, put a little bit off there. It might not be very easy to put the engine cover back on. Which is fine, because I don't like that engine cover anyway. there we have it. Just gotta tighten it. I believe that nut's a 17 millimeter. I don't have a 17 millimeter wrench here at home. Got one at work, but not at home, so I'll just use a crescent wrench. Inside stud nut came loose a little bit on there. Alright, I think that's straight right there. Everything close anyway. I hate to use a real big level, but let's see how close it is. Just okay. A little bit more, it should be good. As long as it stays that way. Alright, should be good right there. Alright guys, it's on there. That's how she looks without the engine cover. Oh, it's a little dark. See that right there? Don't look too bad. Alright guys, here's how it looks with the engine cover on it. As you can see, the hose don't quite fit through there perfectly, so I'll have to keep an eye on that, see if it starts rubbing a hole in the hose. But like I said, I plan to get the half covers as soon as possible, so hopefully that engine cover won't be on there long. Really, I'm just leaving it on there to try to keep it clean with all the rain we've been getting and everything. Alright guys, so I hope you liked the install. If you have something to say about it, then leave a comment down below. And if you liked the video, go ahead and give me a like. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Please go ahead and subscribe. I got a another mod hopefully coming in the next couple of days, and I got a couple more videos to make, hopefully today. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.